first question, when I was talking about furnace on water heater, there's a key element in the basement that's covered that nobody thinks about. It's the most important part of the house. No, it's the foundation. This lady knew it. If you lose the foundation, do you have a house anymore? That foundation is covered. So if you lose the foundation in a flood and you have flood insurance, you should be able to claim everything. Okay. Now, personal property, and see, flood insurance only covers the structure. If you want personal property covered, you have to buy a separate policy for that. The furnace hot water heater is covered because they're considered key elements of the structure. HVAC, that kind of thing. Personal property is covered differently. Okay. Now there's a little handbook from FEMA. We were talking about how you can order stuff from FEMA. It's called the Answers to Questions book. If you get one of those Answers to Questions books, in the front there's a question that says coverage in basements, and it tells you what page to find a list of everything that's covered in the basement. It's a great little book. You have a floodplain like shown on the map, but not everybody lives in it. Some people are in the low-risk zone. They're outside the floodplain. They can buy flood insurance, and it's a lot cheaper for them. They can get the same flood insurance I have, because I work the system, and I got the preferred risk policy. So they can get that cheap preferred risk policy. It still won't cover the big screen TV in the basement. But if they have their foundation that's lost, it's covered. Furnace, hot water heater, all of these things that we were talking about. Key building elements. But personal property is not covered with the structure under a typical flood insurance policy. You have to buy a separate policy for it. The preferred risk policy gives you personal property insurance for free as like a bonus on top of it. So you get your contents coverage along with your structure policy as a freebie, and it's cheaper. This preferred risk policy is a good thing you should look at.